How to buy NFTs on OpenSea with Coinbase wallet. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be telling you how you can use OpenSea and how you can sell or mint your NFTs and with the help of Coinbase wallet. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So over here, I'm on OpenSea, and over here, we just have to connect our wallet. Now to connect our wallet, we need to go ahead and click on the wallet icon over here at the top right corner. We click on the wallet icon, we have a bunch of different options over here. So we have Wallet Connect, MetaMask, Coinbase Wallet, Phantom, many more. So all we have to do is just simply click on Coinbase Wallet, and that is basically it. Then it'll ask us to try to install the Coinbase Wallet extension. We can just simply click on install, and it will take us to over here onto the Chrome browser extension, and over here we just simply add the extension, and boom, there we go. And over here we just simply have to create a new wallet or import an existing one. Let's go ahead and create a new wallet, and over here we just enter in our username, and we just simply allow other wallet users to search for my name, or if you want to, and we just simply click on submit, and boom, there we go. Then we have our 12-word secret phrase that we are going to be using to sign in into our wallet account. Make sure you never lose this phrase. Always keep it safe, hidden, note it down on your own computer or your notebook or phone, or take a screenshot. Whatever you do, just don't lose it. So I'm just simply going to go ahead and sign in and continue, and I'll pause the video right here. And then we just have to set up our 8 password, and boom, there we go. Agree to their terms and services and click on submit, and boom, you are good to go. Your wallet is ready. Now if I click over here, I don't see it over here. Here we go. So now we are good to go. So now if we go back to OpenSea, all right, and I reload the page, click on the wallet icon over here and choose Coinbase wallet, it'll open up over here. And then we just simply click on connect, and it'll connect to OpenSea, and we are good to go. And you can over here add more funds if you want to. So if you want to add funds, click over here and just simply copy this address, and then you are good to go. If you want, you can go ahead and sign into your Coinbase wallet over here, and you can go ahead and buy some crypto if you wanted to. So if you want to buy some crypto, simply click on buy, and over here you just simply have to verify your ID, and you are good to go. So let's go ahead and move on. So if you wanted to create an NFT, all you would have to do was simply click on create. All right, it'll send a transaction to the wallet, and all you'd have to do was simply click on the sign button, and you can create an NFT over here. Just simply upload your image of your NFT. Let me just go ahead and find it real quick. It should be over here. So here we are. So all we'd have to do was simply choose whichever one we want. So let's go ahead and choose this one. I'll put that over there, and I'll call it Lavender Punk. And then down below, if you had a external link, you can go ahead and add an external link so that you can showcase all of your previous projects or your upcoming projects or the current projects that you are working on. And then you have your description over here. You can add a description of this project, of this NFT, explain to the world what they are looking at. And then you have your collection. You can go ahead and choose a collection and post it over there. And then down below you have your blockchain. Now in blockchain you have Polygon, Cleat, Solana. All right, these two are not available as of right now. So for now we'll just choose Polygon. And on Polygon, what will happen is if you choose Polygon, you won't have to pay any gas fees whatsoever. But if you choose Ethereum, you will have to pay gas fees for the first 2 times. Now, if you don't know what a gas fee is, it's basically like a transactional fee or a verification fee that you have to pay for the first 2 times whenever you upload or try to sell or mint an NFT. It is only required for you 2 times, but it can be anywhere between $1, $2, up to $300, $400, even $500. So keep in mind and keep checking on the on the gas fee. Now if you don't know how to check for gas fee, just simply come over to here, etherscan.io, and just simply search for gas tracker, Etherscan gas tracker over here. So if you click over here, you will see the GUI. So currently it's pretty cool. OpenSea over here is at 26. So $26 is the average price, 26.88 is the high, and 26.32 is the low. So keep that in mind. It can go up, but currently it's still at 7. As you can see over here, it just changed, but it's still at 26. So keep that in mind. It changes rapidly. But if you choose Polygon, you won't have to pay it, but you will be, exposed to a limited market. But if you choose Ethereum, you will have to pay the gas fee, but you will be exposed to a bigger market. So it all depends on you. So once you've done that, just simply click on create and then just clear the reCAPTCHA over here. Wait for a couple of seconds and boom, you should be good to go. And here we are. So boom, there you go. You've created Lavender Punk. You just created this NFT. Now all that's left for you to do is just simply click on the sell icon over here, add in the amount you want, add in the duration, and then you will have to pay the 2.5% service fee, which you will only pay once the NFT has been sold. So keep that in mind. So let's go ahead and enter in 0.05 or 0.005 $13. And once that's done, just simply click on complete listing and just simply click on unlock, and it'll send a transaction to your wallet, a signature. You just simply have to sign the signature. All right, and once that's done, we will go ahead and move on to number 2, which from where we will unlock the currency over here. Click on sign, and once that's done, just sign again, and you will be good to go. Click on sign and you are good to go. So boom, your NFT has been lifted and you are good to go. So as you can see, that's how you basically do it. Now if you wanted to buy the NFT, all right, let's say we go over here, all NFTs over here, and we have a bunch of these NFTs over here. So if you wanted to buy an NFT, all you'd have to do was just find an NFT that you like. All right, just simply click on an NFT that you like and then just simply click on buy now or make an offer. You click on buy now, you just have to add in the funds that you want. So let me just switch back to the Ethereum network right here. And then all I would have to do was add in this amount into my wallet and check this box and click on checkout. And once the transaction has gone through, I would get the NFT. So that's pretty much how it is. That's how you buy NFT on OpenSea. Now you can use this exact same method on other websites as well, such as Rarible or Mintable if you want, but for now this is it. So that's how you do it. That's how you buy and sell NFT and mint them on OpenSea as well. So having said that, that is it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or come across any problem whatsoever, then let me know in the comment sections down below and I'll be sure to help you out in any way I can as soon as possible. And also be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and also turn on the bell notification as you'll get notifications every time we post a new video. Your support to the channel means a lot, and also share this video with your friends and family members if they enjoy this type of content and would like to know how to make money online, or just simply want to know how a particular software or website works. We post these types of videos daily, so you don't have to worry about running out of content. You will get new content every single day, so don't worry about it. So having said that, thank you guys for watching, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. And until next time, take care and goodbye.